glasses or not? The answer really depends. If you're gonna use them to record special moments with family and friends, by all means get these glasses as they record hands-free and you can be in the moment while it's happening versus you getting your phone out or your camcorder out, missing out at what's happening in front of you. Don't get these glasses if you're gonna use them to record a short video, like let's say a concert or an event or taking a picture, because after you do that post, you're gonna forget these glasses exist. You're gonna put them on the shelf someplace, forget they exist, and then by the time you clean out that drawer, you're gonna realize they exist, and then you're gonna be wondering, why did I get these glasses in the first place? Other than that, these glasses are good for hands-free recording. The quality's perfect, stabilization's perfect, so you don't have to worry if you shake your head like this. You don't have to worry about them. And that's a wrap, guys. Thank you for watching. Click the like button if you liked the video. Click the dislike button if you hate this video so much. Leave any questions you might have on the comment box below this video, and I'll make an updated video in regards to anything that I might have missed in this review. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time.